Hello.
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 Do you like what you see?
Of course they do.
Oh, if you didn't do, we do it to you.
Of course.
All right, my name is Pilot Imo, and you?
Pilotress Maggi.
Oh yes, how would you why?
Yes.
I could have why you a pilot, you as a pilot.
And
we're barrister. Una walk why you barrister.
And we're copper.
And we're copper, can walk a copper, can why you again.
Coppers.
Game was the more than 3 barristers. I would say bastards. By and by. All right, we are on the move. The aircraft is about to take off. Mistake. Get revive one. You are my reviveress.
The aircraft is already taken.
Wow, I know. All right, we are on the move. Today is Valentine's Day, and you can see when beautiful couples like we, if
beautiful cups.
Beautiful man and beautiful woman. Beautiful lady and handsome man. We are on the move. One of our illustrious son, one of our beloved, one of our engineer, one of the people that engineers our aircraft, one of the people that always fuel our aircraft. His name is Nollywood. Valentine and he was born on the 14th of February. She love. He started loving people. He started loving the less privileged. He started loving people that comes around. He wants you as somebody who is good. He must show you love.
A man with a heart of gold.
A heart of gold. A philanthropium. A Lebanese. He
has a charitable heart.
A charity.
He has a heart of benevolence.
He has nothing he has no heart. So today we are ready to move the plane. Anybody who is going for that birthday, are you ready? Come, enter the plane. I am going to pilot the plane and she will pilotress the plane.
Yes.
So we are moving right away to wherever it's happening. The location will be released to you later.
Val and goods bonded
terminal.
Asa, Abia State.
Importer and exporter. Whenever your goods, the places our goods normally land in from abroad. After a minute, all we young when he is it's an Ogola. Roads dynamic bonded terminal. Rivers. Oh, no, rivers. You see the way it's written on the screen. That is what their company represents, and that is what they are into. He's also the CEO of Nollywood engine oil that I always advertise. The Nollywood oil now, how many can you plane now? Engine oil now, how about getting a plane? Plane that hotel. You got no trouble at all. So today is his birthday. If you are a lovable person, join us to celebrate this
icon.
Happy birthday to you, icon. Happy birthday to you, icon. Happy birthday, Nollywood. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 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 Beep, beep, beep. I ain't you for today, Dan. You tell what you read and white.
How do you feel?
Hey, Rollem Kube.
I can't take our shell.
I beg any moon bed there, isn't it?
Olive oil, Abaza Koku, Bubble and Tigerea, Imemoto Tam, Tinema Buru Tam, Boya Yaza, Ebabble and Tigerisi, Itema Buri Jawere. Olive oil, Manu Kachama, Gina Bule Tigerea, Onabo Parapara, chewe echiche chegide echiche